Oh, we got, is that a gun? Is that a gun? Woo, woo, woo. We are over here at the Copart sublot. This place is awesome because you can just kind of wander around here. We won something today, man. We won our own Cletus McFarland police car. Yep. Goon Squad did it. Cletus did it. And now I did it. The winning bid was like $1,100. I'll tell you at the end of the video, but it's like $1,100 was the winning bid. I think it was like $1,700 out the door. This side is flawless. We got the number 75 up there. Someone took the 911 off. Now the thing is, we can't take this out of here. I've already, these things are insured. Everything is good to go on them. So these are legit to drive, but you can't drive with police running down the sides of it and everything. So we got to cover those up. So I bought some masking tape so we don't get in any trouble for that. Man, I think it's gorgeous. So it's going to need some paint, but we're probably going to need doors anyway. Replace these two doors and get it repainted the same paint scheme, you know, the white on black. All this stuff will be gone. Take all that off. Got really good tires, man. Got the Goodyears, the Eagle. I think these are these F1s? I don't know. Eagle RSAs. Either way, good tires. Got the push bar. She looks like she's good to go. Now this was listed, if you remember, this was listed as a non-runner, and it's got the cage in the back still with the plexiglass, right? And it's still got, this is my favorite part right here, the plastic. This is not a vinyl seat. This is that hard, it's that hard seat. I like this, man. And believe it or not, it actually smells good. It's an 09, and I think out the door was like $1,700. Now I don't know if this window works. We saw it said no key. It's listed with an N for no start, so it doesn't run, but it actually does run. We got it running. So it was listed incorrectly, I suppose. Look, it turned its light. What's up? What's up? The mileage on this thing is extremely low. Carfax is clean other than, other than obviously this accident. We got the Optima yellow top battery dated April 12th of 19. The Excel coils, all the fluids on this are like brand new. Every fluid in this thing is fresh. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the booster pack on it. And we're going to see if we can drive it out of here. Check it out, man. Drive it home. Make sure the gears are good and the rear differential's good and it doesn't overheat. Honestly, you guys know as well as I do already, this one is not going to be a problem, right? This one and this booster pack, let me tell you something. This is the Noco Genius Boost Pro GB150. This will start like 15 cars, 20 cars in a day on one charge. And I'm talking big cars too, really big cars. Now this one's got a completely dead battery, so we have to hold this emergency button. There we go. Now she's got some juice. This thing will fire up just about anything. 22,500 joules. I have a link to that in the description on Amazon. Oh, we got some music. We got some music. Uh-oh. Listen to this. 62,348 miles. Listen to that. Listen to that. 62,000 miles on the odometer, guys. Wow. Wow. And does this window work? Oh, it's one of those. It's a sticky window. Yeah, you got to do it by hand, so it's got a regulator gone bad in it. That's okay. That's no big deal. We can push it up by hand. Oh, we got, is that a gun? Is that a gun? I'm kidding. My fiance is hiding over there, and when I said it's had a gun, she came running over here. She wanted to see what we were doing. We got oh, here we go. Yeah. Well, it's empty. We've got Public Safety Inc. NIC, Narcotic Identification System. Whoa. A lot of personal information and files that I'm not going to show on camera. We got a fire extinguisher, and it's still full. It's good. We got us a fire extinguisher. How about that? Some floor mats, some safety cones, and now we're going to mask off all this police stuff so we can legally drive it home. The title's rebuilt. I already got the title rebuilt on all of the cars. Yes, all of the cars. We bought 3 of them today, and I'm going to show you one at a time. So let's get all the police taken off of this car, or covered up at least, and we can legally take it out on the street. Listen to that engine purr. Listen to this. Oh man, it's perfect. And it was listed as a non-runner with no key. Are you serious, man? Stole this thing for like $1,700 out the door. All right, I think we got her done. We got her did. My side that I did says lice. Jessica's got a sense of humor. I wish she'd be on camera more. You guys would love her. On this side, it says ice. Good job, Jessica. Ice. What do we got on this side? She did this side too, and it says ice. It says ice here as well. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know if I want to be riding around anything that says ice on it. Anyway, there she is. We got all the police stuff off of it, and I guess now it's time. Let's take it to the house and see how she does. All right, it's the moment of truth, guys. Yeah, she runs and drives. She sure does. Yeah, that's right. People slow down when they see me. Feel like, oh man, that's a cop. That's a cop. Better go to speed limit. Oh man, I understand the fun now. I do. All right, I got a Camaro SS. I got a Corvette. That's great. But man, there's something about driving a cop car that's even better. Feels like the alignment's a tad off or something. Maybe a tire. Well, we got the low tire pressure light on, so it's probably a tire pulling me. It's not too bad though. It's not. And I didn't figure it would be. I figured this thing probably was going to run and drive just fine. It's been maintained very well. It's got how many miles on it? 62,000? Something like that. What's it got on it? Yeah, 60. I can't see the dang thing. I can't wait. I can't wait to get this to the house. Oh, my neighbors are gonna love me in this, man. They're gonna love this car. They will. They're gonna love it. 62,349 miles, ladies and gentlemen. Unreal. Woo, woo, woo. Oh yeah. Man, can you feel the bald eagles, boys? Oh, this is great. All right, we're gonna continue on our way, and we'll see how it does. We'll see how it does. Man, I'm telling you what, we are almost back to the house, and this car's got no real driving issues at all. It does pull a little to the right, like I said earlier, just a hair, but it does have a low tire light on, so that's probably got something to do with it. You know, after driving this thing, man, I really do enjoy it. I really do. It's a fun car in its own right. I feel like we got to put this one back together. We got to put a fender, a couple doors, and get her painted. You know, maybe put some custom stickers down. Not police, obviously. We can't do that. But I don't know, man. Comment below and tell me what you think we should put on the car. Some kind of decals. I don't know, maybe AAR squad, or you know what? I don't really like the name. I don't like squad. It sounds too much like a cheerleader or something. I don't know, man. I'm just, this car is so enjoyable to drive, and the way people react. Oh man, people are scared. You know what I mean? People slow down. People stop at the stoplights because they have no idea. They have no idea. We'll put instead of the number 75 that's on it now, we'll do like number 99. You know what I mean? Number 99 or number 3 for Dale Earnhardt 03, something like that. We'll keep it looking like a police car, but I think we can improve upon the current look of the car. She's a solid car, guys. Like, no joke. Everything, heat, air works. Everything but this window works. A couple doors, a fender, and some paint. Man, this thing will look like a legit police car. And exhaust. You know, it's another thing we got to do to it. You got to put exhaust on it. Let them ponies roar. You know what I mean? All right, guys. I think we made it. We done did it. Austin's supposed to be meeting me at the house. We'll see what he thinks of the ghetto ride, the police car. Yeah, that's right. I'm creeping to the neighborhood. Better watch your speed now, guys. And if I do a burnout, that's okay because I'm a cop. No, I'm kidding. I'm not impersonating a cop. Not on. I'm not going to do any burnouts, and I'm not going to speed. Look, I'm going the speed limit, 25 miles an hour through the residential. Let's go meet up with Austin and see what old boy see what old boy thinks of the cop car. You in the Passat, come on with your hands up now. Woo. Hold on. Excuse me, sir. You are not a cop. You are not a cop. See, who's climbing in the back?
I'll do it. I don't want to know.
All right, sir. Step in the car. I need you to step in the car right now. Okay, I need some handcuffs. Yeah, and don't even think about trying to get out. This man is arrested.
I didn't know it.
And if you talk too much trash, I'm closing the window on you.
Oh shit.
And if you spit on my window like this guy did,
Ew.
we're charging you with. I'm going to charge you with anything I can possibly charge you with, sir.
Okay.
You're going to jail. That's it. I'm done. You're going to jail. Going to jail. I'm finished. Oh. Sir, you are screwed.
Now try it. Okay.
Oh, they made it. You can't open it from back here.
Yeah, even with it like that.
This is a perfect car to put your kids in.
Oh man, and they roll down? Oh man.
Only from up here. We got to get the light bar for it too, man. Yeah, we got to hook this thing up. Oh, I don't know if he can get out or not. It doesn't work, does it?
No, it doesn't
No.
work at all.
You got to get Nick's reaction. What's your reaction to the cop car, Nick? You want to sit in the back?
Nothing that'll stick or poke me or.
Yeah. Well, I'm not about to pat you down. That'd just be weird.
That would be weird.
Yep, you're under arrest. Get your feet in the car, sir. Don't make me tell you again. You're under arrest. That's my second arrest today.
Oh man.
I'm doing good. How does it feel to be arrested?
Cool.
Have you ever been in the back of a cop car before?
I've never even been in a cop car.
Oh, you have now.
Yeah.
What's it like to be a criminal?
It's awesome. I robbed the candy store.
You robbed the candy store. And you can't get out. The doors don't work. Windows don't work. You can't do anything.
Man, you could put like 5 dead bodies in here.
Can I sit in the driver's seat?
Yeah. Yeah, sit in the driver's seat, Mr. Police Officer.
All right.
How's it feel to be a cop?
Awesome.
That's what it's like to be a cop right there. You can use this light and shine it in people's faces. You grab it and just twist it and...
Wow.
Excuse me, sir. Freeze, or I will shoot you. I mean, that's not what cops do. It's like, oh, hands up. Hands up.
Put the cookie down.
I'm afraid to shut it off. Yeah, the thing is just perfect, man. Excel coils, Optima yellow top. Ha! She's a good running car. Runs good, drives good. Just needs a couple doors, possibly this fender, probably. Yeah, I'll replace that fender. A fender and 2 doors and a paint job. and she will be like 100% legit. All right, so I guess we're gonna have to end that video right there. Turn off these lights. I guess you know what we'll end it at? We'll end it at, will it start back up? Sure will. It works. It was dead as a doornail when I got it. Boy, we got 2 more cars to pick up. This is gonna be fun. This is my favorite so far though. Like so far, this is it right here. It's my favorite car. It's the ice car. Or wait, this one says lice. This is lice. The looks that the cops gave me as they drove by, it was kind of funny, dude. This side says lice. Over there says ice.
No, you know what you need to, it needs to say pro-lice. Pro-lice.
Pro-lice. All right, that's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for this video. That's it, man. Oh, there goes the Camaro. There goes the Camaro. We're going to go pick up the other 2 cars, so stay tuned because there are going to be 2 more videos for you guys at some point. I don't know when I'm going to release them, but we got to go pick up those other 2 cars before it closes, and the cars get locked up like Austin and Nick did in the back of the police car. All right. Dang, that Camaro sounds good, man. Dang. Okay, we're going to get out of here, guys. Look, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, at Auto Auction, or just Auto Auction Rebuilds. Instagram, Facebook, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. I truly appreciate it. Comment what your thoughts are below on the police car, man. Like, I don't know. There's so much raw potential sitting right here. I got a few ideas already, but I want to hear what you guys think as well. So leave your comments below. Tell me what you think. Stay safe out there, buddy. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.